Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Get Play Soon. In this video, we will see how to generate substrings of the given string. A substring is nothing but a portion of a string that is made up of one or more consecutive characters. So a substring is basically a part of a string and it is made up of consecutive letters, not alternative letters or any other thing. So first letter and third letter cannot be a substring because it is not consecutive in nature. It should be consecutive. First and second letter can be a substring. Second and third letter can be a substring. First, second, third all together can be a substring. So that is meant by consecutive. Now substrings are a part of strings. Now let's take an example. In the given string GPS, we have one letter substring that is G, P and S, and two letter substrings that is GP and PS. Now GS cannot be a substring because they are not consecutive in nature. Now a word can be a substring for itself. So GPS is the three letter substring for GPS. Now we have six substrings for the word GPS. How to calculate the number of substrings? How to know that we have written all the substrings? To calculate the number of substrings, we have a formula that is n into n plus 1 by 2, where n stands for number of letters in the string. So GPS consists of three letters. We have six substrings. By the way, GPS stands for Get Play Soon. So make sure you subscribe to our channel Get Play Soon. Now let us see how to code to get our substrings. In this function generate substring, we are taking an input string yes, and this function at the end returns a list of all substrings of yes. In the first line inside the function, we are creating an array list with the name substrings. Now we are going to the looping part. We have nested loop here. We start with index I and iterate till the end of the string. For each index I, we start a second loop. In the second loop, at index I plus 1, j is equals to I plus 1. That is from the next element, right? From the next letter. So we start the second loop at index I plus 1 and iterate it until the end of the string. So basically, the outer loop iterates over all possible starting positions of substring and the inner loop iterates over all possible ending positions of the substring. Now, inside the substring, we are doing this operation substrings.add. So, what are we doing here? We are adding the resulting substrings to a list and we will return everything at the end of the function. This is how we generate substrings. Now, let's go take an example and understand how these two for loops work. So, for the string GPS, when I is equals to 0, j is equals to I plus 1. So, 0 plus 1 is 1. The substring generated is G. After j is equals to 1, the loop again runs, the inner loop again runs. So j is equals to 2, GP is also added. When j is equals to 3, GPS is also added. Now we go to the outer loop and we increment the I. When we increment the I became 1 and j becomes I plus 1, that j is equals to 2. J will run for j is equals to 2 and j will run for j is equals to 3. So the substrings added here is P. Now when j is equals to 3, we added PS. And the last, again we go to outer loop and we increment the I pointer. So I becomes 2 and j becomes I plus 1, that is 2 plus 1. J becomes 3 and at the end the last yes will be added to the list. So in the end of the function returns the list G, GP, GPS, P, PS, yes. So this is how we generate substrings. Now let us check the full code. Now let's check out the full code. So in the class substring, we have a main function. In the main function, we are taking the string input and the input is get placed soon. After that, we are creating an array list with the name substrings and we are passing our input get placed soon in the function generate substrings. We have already discussed the generate substrings function in the previous slides. So after that, it will return the list of substrings. So this is how we generate substrings of the given string in Java. Now comment below for the given input get placed soon, how many substrings are possible? So these many substrings are possible. Comment below the number of substrings and the formula is also available in the previous slides. So that's it from my side. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel Get Placed Soon. Thank you so much for watching.